My husband got me these tulips and I adore them. They just add a little bit of sunshine to the already long winter. So I cannot wait for full spring. I'm going to add them over there just for a little pop in the corner. Yeah, we need a little bit of brightness right now. Okay, let's get into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Make yourself feel at home. I'm Matilda, and Fashion Wizardry is our little corner of the internet where we talk all things fashion related. Everything fashion, you're going to find it here. Today, I'm going to be breaking down 3 styling mistakes you could be doing that are unintentionally making your calves look even slimmer than they are. And most importantly, I'm going to show you how to fix those mistakes. I wanted to say, it's not you, it's a styling babe. I've been there, and after years of trial and error, I feel like I finally cracked the code on how to style slimmer lower legs. This was literally me, April of 2023, and this outfit, I saw nothing wrong with it, but now when I look at it, I'm like, this is not working for any of my proportions. It just makes me look like I don't know what I'm doing. That is not going to be you anymore. It's not me, and it's not going to be you anymore. By the end of this video, I guarantee you, yes, you have my guarantee, Jessica. I guarantee you're going to be able to put together outfits that feel balanced, polished, and outfits that actually work for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like fashion content like this, and let's get into the video. First things first, how do you tell if you have slim calves? The biggest thing is if your lower legs appear noticeably narrower than your thighs, you're in the slim calves gang. And that's okay. We are going to use outfits to our advantage instead of disadvantage. So the mistake number 1 you might be making is the skinny jean trap. I know we were all in the 2012 skinny jean era. I know Alexis Earle said we're bringing them back, but let me make a case against skinny jeans if you have slimmer calves. This is why they're a trap. So, skinny jeans create a super sharp contrast between your thighs and your lower leg, especially if you're wearing a sneaker like this. And if your calves are already naturally slimmer, this makes them look even more narrow than they actually are. It gives a peg leg effect, which is not cute. So, what's my fix number 1? Throw out the skinny jeans. I'm sorry, babe. I want to see you in cropped flares, wide leg, straight leg, any other type of jean other than a skinny jean. That is because wide leg jeans will soften the transition from your thighs to your ankle and adds a lot more balance and proportion to your outfit, and they just look so much better in my opinion. So if you have slimmer calves, switch to wide leg, flared, or any other cut of jean. But if you must wear your skinny jeans, I appease you to please put on a knee-high boot. Skinny jeans and sneakers is not your vibe. You're going to add boots with a little bit more volume as well, and this will add more volume to your lower leg and make you look a lot more balanced. If you want to take it up a further notch, I want you to add a boxy cropped jacket at the top. This will draw the eye upward. That way, people are not focusing on the slimmer lower legs. It balances out your calves, adds structure to the top, evens out proportions, and it looks badass as hell if you have a leather jacket like this. So definitely consider adding more volume at the top and the bottom as well. And if you want to be a pro, you're going to add a longer coat. This is how I wear my skinny jeans. I do not wear them any other way. In the winter, this is a go-to outfit formula for me. And 1, it hides the skinny jeans, but 2, it also creates a better proportion because you have a lot more lengths and balance to play with here. So that is how you fix the skinny jean trap. All right, that is how you make the whole look feel a lot more intentional. You shift proportions and it looks like you know what you're doing. I wanted to make a PSA here. This is not about fixing your body. This is not about fixing you, because you are literally perfect as you are. I'm going to give that a moment to let it sink in. You are absolutely perfect as you are. Today, what we're doing is we're fixing outfits. Fixing outfits, not you, so that they flatter you and they're not working against you, because that is not fun for anyone, okay? Okay, Let's talk about mistake number 2, pencil midi dresses. This one hurts because I love a good bodycon dress. These hips need to be shown off, okay? But when you have a pencil dress like this that stops right at the shin, it does 2 things if you have slimmer calves. 1, it hugs the legs so tightly that it highlights how slim they are. And 2, it creates this long straight line down your body that actually makes your lower legs look even more narrow. It's drawing attention to the place you don't want attention to. And wearing this shoe with this dress, diabolical. I am emphasizing the wrong parts. So what do? We are going to do the same thing we did in mistake number 1. We're going to add some knee-high boots, and this adds volume to the lower leg and adds a lot more balance to the outfit. So that is your first fix. You're going to add knee-high boots to fill in that lower leg space. I don't want to see skin at the bottom, okay? We need a soft transition from your dress to your boots. What else are you going to do? You are going to throw on a cropped jacket, and this will help draw the eye upward and break the straight silhouette we have going on here, okay? This looks a whole lot better than what we were working with in the beginning, and that is because we're breaking up those lines and we just seem like we know what we're doing with this outfit. The key takeaway here is when you're reaching for those dresses, those little bodycon numbers, the little midi dresses, I want you to think about balancing the lower half of your body. Add volume to compensate for the lack of volume down there, okay? And if you can, opt for a maxi cut or a mini skirt. If she's stopping at the shin right before your legs become slim, that is going to need a lot more work to make work for your body. So I tend to wear pencil dresses less, pencil midi dresses. But if that's your shtick, just remember you have to always add balance and volume to the lower half and the upper half. While I have you here, I will say if you're shopping for stuff, please, instead of going for midi pencil stuff, I would say opt for an A-line cut, whether that's maxi, mini, or midi. A-lines are just much more flattering on slimmer lower legs, and that's because they add movement and volume, which is something you need when you have slimmer calves, okay? Now let's move on to mistake number 3, because this one is sneaky, if I do say so myself. On to our final mistake of the day, wearing lighter dresses with darker shoes. This one is so subtle, but it's so powerful, I promise you. So here I am in my little white dress. It's kind of like a cream color, and I adore this dress. It makes me feel sexy, stunning. I love it. But when I pair this dress with these darker shoes, what I'm doing is I'm creating a visual cutoff point at the ankle. So our eyes are naturally drawn to the darkest part of the outfit, and in this case that's the feet, okay? And if your calves are slim, it makes them look even more narrow than they are, and it makes your feet look bigger. It's an optical illusion, but the worst kind. So what do? We are going to add sheer tights to help create a soft transition from the outfit into the shoe, and this creates a seamless leg line, and it's gorgeous. I didn't show it in this video, but you could also add a darker colored jacket, a darker belt, a darker bag, and this is going to connect the outfit and make it seem a lot more cohesive and intentional. And another bonus tip is you can add chunky shoes, and these will help add volume and balance out your lower leg. The key here is visual flow. You cannot have your outfits chopping you into sections. Light dress, legs, dark shoes, absolutely no, ma'am. No, ma'am, we're not going to do that over here. You're attacking my eyes, and I need my eyes to stay unattacked, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to softly transition from the dress to the leg, and this makes the outfit a lot more flattering on you, I promise. All right, let's do a quick recap. Look at how small styling swaps make the outfit feel completely different. Absolutely different. This is why balance and proportions are so important in fashion. So you better have them down, and your outfits will always eat. I promise you. Okay, so no more secrets. Now you will not have the question, why does this outfit look weird on me anymore? But I do want to hear, what mistakes have you been making? I made all these mistakes. In this video, I have been that girl. I've worn a midi dress with sneakers and gone out thinking I'm ruling the world. And now I look back at pictures and I'm like, so I have made all these mistakes, and I would love to hear what mistakes you've been unintentionally making or you didn't know. Let's discuss in the comment section down below. Also, if you're about to scroll without subscribing and leaving a like, girl, I just fixed your wardrobe. That deserves at least a like. Come on. I'll wait. You can do it. Okay, good. Okay, bestie, go forth and be fashionable. And remember, we are not letting our calves disappear in 2025. Okay? Okay. See you in the next video. Bye.